all have our favorite brushes. For example, this is one of my favorite brushes. It costs maybe $15 to $25 depending on the brand, but they don't last forever, and I try to extend the life. Now this one, the bristles are a little bit hard, but you see this whole pile of brushes? They are hard. Rendered useless by most artists. This, I forgot to take my something off of it. We'll see if I can get that clean. All of these, this is a blending brush. Bristles too hard, so it's not going to blend. And on down the line we go. Those brushes are hardened with paint. All right, so I'm going to show you this trick. Some of you know it. I'm deep cleaning these brushes, and this is the magic formula. Murphy oil soap. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this can here probably about up to here, just so that all the bristles will, well, maybe up to here, with soap oil soap, Murphy's oil soap. And I'm going to let them soak overnight. Now, I just want to show you again. See, this brush is hard as a rock, and that's true with all of these. But I have a little extra time tonight, so I'm going to deep clean these. I shook this up. Well, I don't know if that's necessary, but I always shake things up. And I'm going to get a fair amount of this in there. It's worth it. Then I want to make sure each brush is fairly well saturated, and I'm going to let them all, oops, I'm going to let them all soak in here overnight. Let the magic happen. This liner brush, I hate that when these get ruined. And these angle brushes are also some of these angle flats. I love them, but this one is just so hard. You know, you miss brushes sometimes after you finish a painting session, or they fall on the floor and then you find them and it's like, ah. So we'll just get all of these in here. I like to save them up so I can do a whole bunch at once. Then it's not such a bad job. All right, so I got to get a little more of the oil, or the soap oil, in there. Oops, there we go. Because I do have a lot of brushes in here. Get them stirred around in here. You know, when I first started oil painting, I didn't know this trick about latex gloves, you know, the kind they wear in the hospital. Oh man, my hands used to be so messy all the time. I'd be so embarrassed because I had paint underneath my fingernails. Looks like I had dirty fingernails. Now I don't worry about that anymore. I just automatically put on the gloves. Okay, so I got this in there. I know some people are going to give me a lot of flack for being so rough on these brushes, but you know what? They're either going to make it or they're not. So I just want to make sure they get a lot of that oil, soap oil in there. And then they are deep cleaning, and next session tomorrow night. Well, so if you benefited from this, just give me a like and maybe think about subscribing. I'm going to try to do more videos here. Thank you.